Hello everyone. Welcome to our book review of Triumph Biology for your MHT-CET preparation for Biology Exam 2019. As you must have begun your preparations for MHT-CET 2019, you must be wondering why you should choose Triumph Biology instead of all the other books in the market. Well, it's very simple. Target began its journey with preparing books for MHT-CET, and we have been growing ever since. With suggestions, reviews, and feedbacks from our customers, parents, teachers, and students, we have been able to improvise our work and have been able to curate this book with the most likely and probable questions that might appear in your MHT-CET paper 2019. To crack any entrance examination, it is essential to be thorough with the paper pattern of that exam. We provide you with the latest MHT-CET paper pattern at the beginning of our book. Coming to paper 3, that is of biology, you can see that it has been divided into two sections, botany and zoology. You would be asked 50 questions each from these sections. These are further divided into 10 questions from your 11th standard syllabus and 40 questions from your 12th standard syllabus, in an entirety of 100 questions for 1 mark each, which you are required to attempt within 90 minutes. If you see the content page of Triumph Biology, you would see that we have included the 8 relevant chapters that have been prescribed for your CET examination from the 11th standard syllabus and all the 19 chapters from your 12th standard syllabus. Do you think that it is okay to skip the chapters that have been omitted from your 11th standard syllabus? Well, think again. It's not that simple. Take it as a word of caution that these chapters which have been skipped from your syllabus may form the basic concepts to more challenging processes in your 12th standard syllabus. For a simple example, if you consider morphology of flowering plants, do you think you would be able to attempt questions from more complicated processes like reproduction in plant and photosynthesis without these basic concepts? Well, no. So please study these chapters also. Moving ahead, let's go through a chapter in Triumph Biology. Your chapter begins with a quick review section. This section comprises of easy to remember charts and tables that give you a glimpse of the entire chapter. It would also help you in your last-minute revision. Further, throughout the chapter, you would find many pictorial representations and real-life images that would help you get a more realistic image of the actual concepts in your syllabus. Coming to the MCQ section, you can see that the questions have been divided subtopic-wise. Subtopic-wise division helps you establish a flow through the chapter. It can help you also if you want to prepare a particular subtopic from the textbook and attempt questions only related to that subtopic. It's quite simple by the way we have designed this chapter then. Also, these questions have been segregated based on the difficulty level. As you can see, the first section is classical thinking. In this section, you would find easy, simple concepts that you can solve just by reading your textbook. This would also help you boost your confidence about the topics in your syllabus. The next section is of critical thinking. In this section, you would find little more difficult questions, little more tricky questions. Well, you should remember that these questions are based on the same syllabus. Well, your syllabus is fixed. The difference that helps you crack an examination is based on understanding the way the question is twisted. That is what we have tried to attempt in this section by drafting questions that are tricky and give you an exposure to the competitive level of your entrance examination. The next section is competitive thinking. In this section, you would find questions from examinations held across the country. All these questions have been sorted based on relevance to chapters for your MHT-CET examination. You can see that we have included various examinations for your reference. We provide answer keys at the end of each chapter. If you want to test your hold on a particular topic and be sure whether you are confident about it, we provide evaluation tests at the end of each chapter with answer keys to it. Do you think you're ready to attempt MHT-CET 2019? Well, to be sure, we have provided you with 2 model papers at the end of the book. Go ahead and time yourself and attempt these questions. This would help you understand where you stand and how prepared you are to face MHT-CET 2019. We understand that not all questions are simple. Some questions would be difficult and tricky. For that reason, we have provided you with downloadable hints for such questions. You can find these hints on the title page of our book. If you scan the QR code with your smartphones, this will provide you with a link which you can click, and once you allow it to download the hints, you would get these hints in your smartphone which you can refer as and when you prepare the chapters. To summarize this entire book, we provide you maximum coverage for each topic. We provide easy to remember charts and tables that you can use for your last minute revision. We provide questions sorted on subtopic wise and difficulty level that would help you in your preparation better. We have more number of questions for the difficult and more important topics. So if you see a large number of questions in a particular chapter, don't be afraid. This is just so that you get ample amount of practice and you are sure and confident about that topic. We have solved MCQs from various competitive exams updated up till the year 2018. Your Triumph Biology book contains more than 7,000 questions for your practice. You are expected to solve only 100 questions in your MHT-CET examination. We provide you with more than 7,000 questions. Don't you think that this practice would be enough? I think it would be. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To purchase our books, you could click on the link given below. We have videos for various other concepts which you could view by visiting our YouTube channel. Thank you.